Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So a few minutes back, you can see it. Just let me refresh it. I have created this newsletter on LinkedIn. So you can see this 10 minutes ago. So I wrote this newsletter, okay, and I created this like I wrote this article and I created this newsletter section, and you can see it's 250 subscribers because I have a good number of connections on LinkedIn, and all people with whom I'm connected with, and they are too genuine. So it's truly good to focus on LinkedIn. So if you are using LinkedIn, make sure to work on it, make sure to focus on your LinkedIn profile, make sure to make good connections, and once you'll cross 10,000, 20,000, maybe 5,000 connections too, just that make sure not to add random people, make sure to add relevant people, and if you are doing something, so make sure that they will be supporting you in future. Okay, so just make sure that the list that you are having on LinkedIn, it's too say strong, it's too genuine. Okay, you can see 253 right now, and I'm just going to refresh it again. Now you can see it, it's 286. So okay, and I'm truly glad I have not created newsletter section before it. So I never knew, or I had no idea that my people on LinkedIn, they are too genuine for me. And also it's kind of notification for all those who are connected with me. And also, if like, but it will depend on us whether we are going to subscribe for somebody's newsletter or not. And I'm really glad that people are subscribing for my newsletter. And also, I'm not going to create a newsletter or say articles from chat gpt or something. I will be sharing my experience. So if you read this also, so you can understand, like, it's humans language. Okay, so you can read, just you can just read this. Okay, I think I have missed something in between. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so you must have, if you have watched my YouTube video, so you know about my Google document. Like, I used to use Google document for LinkedIn top voice or whatever I like AI connected work I have to do, I use it. So whatever work I do, I have put all everything here. You can see elaborated option and shortening it and everything, I have put it right here. So it's not AI generated content, it's I have generated it, just that I have refined it. Maybe I have give it better shape. So you can see this is straightly coming from my personal experiences, or I will keep on sharing my articles, my experiences. So yeah, if you have not subscribed for the newsletter yet, you can subscribe it if you want to. And I will be posting one letter or say one article on a daily basis. So yeah, just stay tuned. Want to talk about this? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, just stay tuned. Take care and bye bye. You can see it's 341 subscriber right now. So yeah, bye bye and take care.